Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium residential development which is located on Yelahanka Ballapura Road, Main Road, also known as State Highway 9. The project's name is Sattva Lumina and this project is being developed by the Sattva Group. So in this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. This thoughtfully planned township offers beautifully designed studio, 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes that cater to everyone from first-time home buyers and young professionals to growing families and long-term investors. Spread across 13 acres, the project brings together contemporary architecture, spacious layout, lush green surrounding and a wide range of lifestyle amenities. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Sattva Lumina is a premium gated community spread across approximately 13 acres on Yelahanka Ballapur Main Road, one of the North Bengaluru's most promising growth corridor. The project offers a wide range of thoughtfully designed residences including studio, 1, 2 and 3 BHK regular and 3 BHK grand apartment. Whether you are buying your first home, upgrading to a bigger space or investing for the future, there is a configuration to suit different lifestyle and budgets. One feature that really makes this project stand out is its no common walls design. Every apartment is planned to offer greater privacy, better airflow and more natural sunlight, making your living experience much more comfortable. Talking about the location, so one of the biggest advantages of Sattva Lumina is its strategic location on State Highway 9. BMS College is just about 5 minutes away. Omega Multi-Speciality Hospital can be reached in around 10 minutes. RNC Galleria Mall and Embassy Business Hub are approximately 18 minutes away, while Yelahanka Junction Railway Station is also around 18-minute drive. Moving on to the lifestyle amenities, so Sattva Lumina has been thoughtfully designed to create a comfortable and vibrant lifestyle for residents of all age group. The project features a grand clubhouse, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a multi-purpose hall, yoga and meditation space, indoor games, and let's talk about the apartment configuration. So the project offers studio apartment of approximately 424 square feet with the prices starting from 40.28 lakh rupees onwards. Talking about the 1 BHK home, which is starting with a carpet area of 690 square feet, price starting from 69.30 lakh rupees onwards. The 2 BHK apartments offer approximately 1142 square feet of space and are priced from 1.12 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK regular homes with a 2-bathroom measure around 1506 square feet starting from 1.46 crore rupees onwards. If you are looking for even more space, the 3 BHK grand residence with 3 bathrooms offer approximately 1809 square feet with the prices starting from 1.75 crore rupees onwards. Every layout has been carefully planned to maximize usable space while ensuring excellent ventilation and everyday comfort. Coming to the floor planning, the entire community has been master planned with the privacy, open space and efficient circulation in mind. The residential towers feature high-speed elevator, landscape open areas and of course the no common walls concept that gives every home better privacy and ventilation. The planning creates a peaceful and premium residential environment throughout the community, and residents benefit from dedicated resident parking, visitors parking, basement parking and wide internal roads that ensure smooth vehicle movement without compromising the landscape surrounding. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.